When the unexpected strikes and the lights go out, panic can set in. But imagine being prepared with a clever and remarkably simple solution, using nothing more than your phone and a plastic water bottle. This trick is so straightforward that once you know it, you'll never look at an empty water bottle the same way again. Picture yourself at home, perhaps in the middle of a stormy night. Suddenly, the power fails. The room plunges into darkness. You reach for your flashlight, only to realize it's out of batteries. Candles? Nowhere to be found. But there's no need to worry. All you have to do is grab a clear plastic water bottle and your phone. With just these two items, you can create an instant lantern that will brighten the entire room. Start by making sure the water bottle is filled with clear water. The more transparent, the better. Turn on your phone's flashlight, the one usually found near the camera, on the back of your device. Then, carefully place the water bottle directly on top of the flashlight so the light shines up into the water. Instantly, you'll notice a remarkable transformation. The harsh, narrow beam from your phone's LED is now diffused and softened by the water, turning the bottle into a glowing orb that radiates light in all directions. Why does this work? The science is simple. The water acts as a diffuser, scattering the intense light from the phone's small bulb so that it spreads out more evenly. Instead of a thin spotlight, you get a soft, ambient glow that can illuminate a surprising amount of space. It's a trick that takes advantage of basic physics, but feels almost magical in its effect. This improvised lantern is more than just a party trick. In a real emergency, during a blackout, while camping, or even in your backyard after dark, it can provide safe, reliable light when you need it most. You don't have to worry about open flames, and you don't need to hunt for spare batteries. Plus, it's completely reusable and eco-friendly since you're giving a second life to a plastic bottle that might otherwise end up in the trash. The beauty of this hack is its versatility. If your bottle is slightly tinted, or if you want to make the light even softer, try adding a drop of milk or using a frosted bottle. This will further diffuse the light, creating a gentle, cozy glow. Feeling creative? Add a few drops of food coloring to the water for a colored lantern, or draw designs on the outside of the bottle for a personalized touch. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to tailor the lantern to suit your mood or the occasion. So, the next time you finish a bottle of water, resist the urge to throw it away. Keep it handy. You never know when it might come in handy to light up your night. Share this trick with friends and family, especially those who love outdoor adventures, or anyone who's always running low on batteries. It's a small, practical hack that could make a big difference in an emergency. Embrace the power of simple solutions. With just a phone, a bottle, and a little ingenuity, you can bring light to even the darkest moments. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, sometimes the best solutions are the ones hiding in plain sight.